Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the set of hooks and cleaning brushes for your hummingbird feeder, or really any bird feeder. And as with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing this unboxing video. I just like doing these videos to remember things I've bought in the past and to help anybody out there who might be thinking about buying the same item, wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. Just in a plastic bag. You get 6 of these. I'm not going to open all of them. I'm just going to open one and show you. I mentioned not really for hummingbird feeders. I bought them for hummingbird feeders, but I also use these on my regular seed feeders because if you've got ant problems, it'll keep ants from getting to your seed. Quality's good. Metal's nice and sturdy. The hooks are the exact same on both ends. I've seen some of them where the top hook is a little bit longer or vice versa. I like that these are the exact same size. And then they come with a brush. This brush is a little bit bent, but it should straighten out just fine once I get some water on it for cleaning. Anyway, 6 of those. That's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.